to complete your works cited page, you need two things. You need your bibliography cards, which as you can see here are my bibliography cards. And then you also need a blank Google Docs page. The blank Google Docs page is already waiting for you in Classroom. All you have to do is click on it to open it, and then you'll have to open up your bibliography cards on your own. Now, this is really tough. The first thing you need to do is you need to put your name in the upper right-hand corner of this page, just like that. You only need your last name. You do not need your first name. Then you hit return twice, and you center. And does anyone raise your hand if you don't know how to center? It's just these buttons up here. The little lines show you. Even a little text box pops up and says center a line. And you type in the words works cited. Nothing bold. Everything should be in 12-point font. That's it. And then you return twice again. And then you want it to not be centered anymore. So you go back to regular, that's called justification. You go back to the regular justification. Then you're going to take all of the information from your bibliography cards and you're going to transfer it over to this new page. But you need to put it in alphabetical order by the first word. Okay? So here are my bibliography cards. And I have 7 of them because I'm bad and I didn't do 8. This very first one, the first word starts with an A. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to highlight, and then I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back to my works cited page, and I'm going to paste. And then I'm going to hit return twice. All right, so I'm going to go back here. Now, my next one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, look, there's a G. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to copy, paste. I'm going to hit return twice. Let's see, H. Here's H. I'm going to copy, paste. Now, I have something interesting here. This Doug Johnson wrote 2 of my sources. Which one goes first? Sam? Why the bottom one? Yeah. Yes, good comes before stretching. So if the first 2 words are the same, then you go to the third word. If the third word is the same, you go to the fourth word. So once again, I'm just going to copy and paste. Now, once you get your 8 to 10 sources in here, and you notice they're double spaced, so if yours aren't already double spaced, you want to make them double spaced. If Miss Kerr put any suggestions or things you needed to fix, you need to make sure you go in and fix those. One last thing you want to do is you want to highlight everything. You want to make sure everything is all in 12-point font. So you just click here and click 12. It'll fix everything. And then you want to make sure that everything is in the same font. Okay, because if you use EasyBib, or if you use the citation from iSearch, which is fine, we encourage you to do that. The font might be a little different. When you turn it in, you want it all nice and uniform. Sam, what's your question? No. No, you do not number them. The only thing that you need to do is make sure that there are double spaces in between each of them. Now, you notice this is a citation and so is this. You don't need any extra spaces in there, just a double space. Other questions? At this point, there's an assignment called Works Cited waiting for you in Classroom. Go ahead, do that, get your bib cards open, start transferring them over. It's as simple as that.